Good teamwork. Teamwork. Okay, Ate Irene.
Go, auntie.
Go, auntie, go. Oh, share to auntie. Come on.
Go, auntie.
You guys remember why the lifeguard couldn't save the hippie from drowning?
My God.
It's too far out, man.
It's your turn.
No. It's Designer's turn.
Oh, ako na ba?
Go, Ate Zenny.
Okay, let's just...
Right there, right there.
Luwang tiguang.
There you go.
Asan na yung malambot? Oh.
There you go.
I'm kidding.
Go, Ate Marilu.
Our son sent me a picture of Chuck Norris drinking a cup of COVID.
Uy, kurog. Oh, may pasmado.
Pasmado, te. Oh, go now, te.
Bakurog na
They were interviewing Bruce Lee.
Good
Great
job.
job.
Good job.
Come.
Good job, Peg. Good job, Pegs.
It's your turn.
Whose turn? Okay, Cappy's turn. Oh, so fast. Ako si Tricia. Ako si Tricia na naman.
Slowly. Go now. Slowly, look at Trisha.
Put it up.
You did it, Trish. Kita tanan, ginirmius.
Give high five, Uncle Paul. Give high five, Uncle Paul. Go give high five. High five.
Good.
Yeah.
It's easy there, right?
The most expensive street in Monticello.
Wait, it's your turn.
Yeah, wait lang.
Good job, Irene.
Nice houses were.
Auntie Sunny's turn.
Okay.
Your turn.
Oh my God, no. That's no. Oh my God, isa na lang.
Oh my
Why? Why?
Mapilayan tayo niyan. Oh, shit. Napatay tayo kay Tricia. Patay tayo kay Tricia nito.
What's the fancy thing out there?
No, not yet, Auntie Maria.
Okay, Ate Marilu.
Patay tayo ni Tricia
The
nito ba?
whole yard resodded.
Oh my God, saan na yung mag-uwi? Oh, ito.
And they made.
Put it here. You can put it here.
That's good.
It's your turn.
No, Auntie Copper.
Somebody just bought. The previous owner put
It's
it
your
on
turn.
the
Auntie
cabinets,
Copper.
new windows, and the new owner doesn't like the cabinets.
Nervyoso na ako dito ni Tricia.
You have to be realistic on
Oh.
your remodeling.
Oh,
Nagigigil.
I think the parents, you might have picked up.
Trisha, we need to watch out.
Watch out, watch out.
It's our turn. It's our turn.
People can afford to just.
Ay, hadlok na siya.
Ayaw na siya.
It's your turn.
That's the thing about that. Last COVID
Masyado mo, mami.
paid out. We make $100,000.
Pwede man ibalik.
No, I yeah, because I know it's gonna
Hala,
come.
ginuog ko. Isa na ba diri?
I called them. They said the best thing you can do is just
Go, Javel.
give it to somebody that needs it.
Oh, yeah.
And I got to pay taxes on it
Tigas.
over the next 40 years.
Good job. Okay, Irene.
Wala ba kay isa na lang diri?
See, you guys are working. You didn't need a check. No. No. There's people out there that really need it. They win it, they do.
Yay.
Don't touch anything, Tris.
Out there
Want to take picture?
All right, Ate Jenny.
That's right. My younger brother's the system.
Mayroon siyang kwan.
Right there.
Right there.
My brother is a little slime ball.
Go take
He has
picture.
avoided work since he got out of high school.
Sini.
Ay, pagsama niya.
Imagine, 20 minutes, wala nang ginawa.
It's my
No, no, no.
Yeah.
You have to watch
Okay, Ate Marilu.
Cost me a new ball.
Tiga nervyoso nung sa taan yun.
And he said,
Oh!
I'll pay you back when I get my stimulus check.
Mutumbling jud ang makakuan ani ha. Good job, Ate Marilu.
Magtumbling din pinatuan.
Yeah, honey, get it back.
Oh my God!
That is exactly why this is wrong. Because there's
We
people
got
that
customers
live their
like
lives
that.
like that that don't do anything.
Yeah. We got
Silip-silip.
Zero gas, it tells you right on the ticket.
Yung boses
She's
namin.
got a guy living with her, and he's driving a brand new F-150.
Later, Tres, later.
And he's
Don't touch
making
anything.
$60,000
Later.
Oh my God.
We'll only take picture, okay?
We're paying for the gas.
Yeah, okay.
That's BS.
Kolikot, kolikot, kolikot.
We're entering into advanced socialism now. He's already taxed.
Alam, nagsayaw na tanan do.
Well, you open the borders up.
Ay, ko yung makatawa. Lumabas na lahat mo.
When it comes to the diesel,
Asa naman ang maingon, asa nga side? West? Yes. Asa?
Ayun ka na.
Okay, di na akong kataw. Hilak na lang ko.
They had to have an interpreter.
Aray ko, di mo ako
I was at a
kita.
doctor's appointment the other day.
Ay, antipara. Asa antipara? Di na makita. Antipara dia.
Oh my God.
Oh, oh God. Hiluta gamay.
Ay, katagilid.
Ala, di na matabang og hilo. Uy, panabangan. Ala, ang building. Oh my God. Ala, ang kabaw, ang kabaw.
It's yet, mommy.
Tricia, no, bakit?
Ah, dito tayo magdiin. Ako, diin na to. Wala. Jubil, diin. Laluwa ako.
Good job.
Nakasurvive pa rin. Pwede niya ako.
Later, Tres, later.
Hindi pwede yung pinakatao.
Sama lang ada.
Gasakit akong tiyan.
Pwede wala katawa. Wala katawa na.
Gabing hilot-hilot ni Kapsa. Ay, galing i-street ang building. Okay, itiwasan pag itas ilalong. Patay na ni.
But he was pro-life,
Ga.
freedom of religion, and all that kind of stuff. For the Democrats.
Kasalig mo das daplin.
Lower, but like even us at work, we know the stats.
Saba.
They said that they gave everybody a tax.
Gamangurat ng gito kay
Should see more
para
on the checks.
manirviews.
We're the working class.
Oh, ano
Good job.
Okay, orang na yan.
Kaya Ate Zenny. Di na.
Parang nagpa-relax
Dili
tayo.
na to. Pilon sa Ate Marilu.
Tingnan mo naman dito. Saan na? Paano na? Anong nangyari dyan?
Grabe naman ito.
Grabe nga. Masak. Bakit iwasan pa?
Quiet down!
Oh, mutok.
Ang lakas ng boses ko.